Oh, hi there. Welcome to Camera Casualties, a show where I tell you about all of my camera gear that's been broken or lost on this trip. So far, we've been in Costa Rica for less than 3 weeks, and I've already broken or lost 3 things. Let's get into it. Camera casualty number 1, a Rode video microphone. I had it plugged into the top of my camera. I leaned over on the camera and snapped. Fortunately, I had some duct tape to seal it up, but it's the second time that I fixed it now. It keeps falling out, it keeps sagging, and we've got a broken microphone for the next 4.5 months. Camera casualty number 2, an iPad mini. I'm pretty sure you can tell what happened here. It's full of water now, yay. I was out shooting with the drone one day and we got caught in an absolute downpour. So yeah, no more iPad mini. Game over, iPad. And camera casualty number 3, the gimbal cover for my DJI Mavic Pro drone. I took it off one day at the beach. It fell out of my bag. By the time I realized I had lost it, the high tide had come in already and swept it out to sea. So we're gonna go the next 4.5 months with an unprotected drone. The most sensitive part of the entire thing. If the camera breaks, the drone is no more. So this should be interesting. Thanks for tuning in to episode 1 of Camera Casualties. Let's hope it's the only episode, but let's be honest, we're on the road for 5 months. I've got a lot of camera gear. Things are gonna break, things are gonna get lost. So stay tuned for episode 2.